On behalf of Glojas, I'd like to wish all Malaysians a happy Chinese New Year 2023.
Happy Chinese New Year to those who celebrate. May you have a prosperous New Year. May this Chinese New Year bless us with good health, wealth, happiness with our loved ones. To all Malaysians, enjoy your holiday.
I would like to wish to all Malaysians Happy Chinese New Year.
Happy Chinese New Year to those who are celebrating it. May this Lunar New Year brings you prosperity, progress, and a lot of happiness.
Glojas team would like to wish you a happy Chinese New Year. May the Chinese New Year be prosperous and pleasant for you and your family.
Kong Hee Fat Choi.
Kong Si Fa Chai.
Kong Si Fa Chai.
Kong Si Fa Chai.
Kong Si Fa Chai.